Hello everyone, I am Ashwarya Singh, teacher of St. Xavier's School. I am here to teach you the chapter of science that is birds, food and more. But before starting our chapter, if you have not subscribed our channel, subscribe it, like and share the video and don't forget to press the bell icon for latest notifications. Now let's start. So firstly we will study about birds. So children, like us, birds are the living creatures. Birds have wings and a body covered with feathers and it makes them different from other animals. But children, you all know that we look different from each other. Same as birds also cannot look same. They differ in size and color. Now the question arises, what makes birds fly? So I have written here one line. So we have to see only the first letter of all the words. So first is W means wings, F means feathers, T means tail, L means light bones and B means boat shaped body. These five things help a bird to fly. Now we are going to study about the body parts of birds. So here first part is beaks. Birds uses their beaks to gather and break apart food. Like us we have mouth, so, and same as birds have beaks. They take the help of beaks and collect the materials for nesting and to protect themselves. Here we can see in the picture that different birds have different beaks. Now, children, next part is feathers. All birds have feathers on their body. There are three kinds of feathers: down feathers, body feathers, and flight feathers. Down feathers means these are soft and short and help to keep the bird's body warm. Body feathers give the shape to bird's body and cover the whole body. Flight feathers. Flight feathers are on wings and tails. Children, these flight feathers help to fly and to change direction of flying. Now, next part is wings. A bird has wings which help it to fly. Birds' wings have feathers, strong muscles attached to them. All birds have wings, but not all birds can fly. Some birds are flightless and some birds are fly at very low height. Now, the question arises that how does a bird fly? So the answer is with the help of the movement of their wings. Birds flap their wings and fly. Birds shows mainly two types of flapping movements: upstroke and downstroke. Children, now we will study about feet and claws. All birds have 2 feet and 4 toes, which help them for walking, hopping, picking things, catching, and holding food. Different birds have different feet, so here five kinds of feet. First is climbing feet, which help birds to climb the trees. Second is swimming bird feet, which are also known as webbed feet. These feet work like a paddle and helps in swimming. Third one is praying feet, also known as talons feet, which help birds to catch their prey because of sharp and hooked claws. And children, fourth one is perching feet that help birds to grip thin or thick branches easily. And the last one is wading birds' feet. They have long, slender legs with spread out toes. So, children, have you understand all the things, all the parts of the birds? Now, if I ask one question that where does a bird live? Then what is your answer? All the birds live in nest. So home of birds is called as a nest. Birds make their nest to lay eggs and raise their young ones. A baby bird is called a chick. It stays in the nest till they get old enough to fly. Then they leave and fly off. What things birds use to make their nest? So, children, you, birds use straw, fiber, wool, cotton, thread, twigs, leaves, and even paper to build their nest. There are different birds build different kinds of nest. First is nest in holes, second nest in rocks, third a woven nest, fourth a stitch nest, and fifth nest on open ground. Now, the question is, how do birds help us? Yes, birds also help us. How? Children, birds help us in many ways. They prevent soil erosion and slow the spread of disease. They disperse the seeds for plants that provide us food, medicines, and so many things. Understand, everyone? Good. Now, here we have completed our chapter. Now we will study about some activities. Here, first activity. I have given a bird, picture of a bird and their parts. Head, eye, beak, neck, wings, feathers, tail feather and legs. These are the parts of bird. Now activity 2 is true or false. So first question is, all birds can fly. So answer is false. Second, birds are not animals. False. Third, the beak of a duck helps it to catch insects on the ground. No, false. Fourth, birds have wings and feathers. True. Fifth, woodpeckers and parrots have two toes pointed in front and two pointing at the back. True. Now we have completed our chapter and studied about birds. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye.